When children are misbehaving, they can take you out of that good feeling place very easily. And if you are familiar with the law of attraction, you should know that you need to be in that place in order to successfully manifest your wants and desires. But we do have to remember that we are all born with our own wants and desires, and that includes children. So when you are trying to give your child advice or scold them for doing something you feel that they weren't supposed to do, even when it is true, they will fight against you because you are going against what they feel is true for them, and that's when it becomes a struggle. As protectors, it is our job as parents to guide our children in the right direction to prepare them to become successful adults, but we must do this in a way that we are not suppressing their beliefs so that both parent and child get what they want. So, if you are experiencing a situation where your child is misbehaving, whether it is not going to bed when you ask them to, or staying out too late, or whatever your issue may be, you must approach the situation in a new way. In order to use parenting with the law of attraction, before you talk to your child about anything that is bothering you, you must take a time out to get yourself into a good feeling place. A place where your spirits are up and you are feeling good, despite whatever the situation may be. You can achieve this by meditating, by listening to a motivational CD, or talking to a good friend that gives great advice and have a knack for lifting your spirits. You must do whatever you have to do in order to get yourself into a better feeling place. Once you have achieved this, you will be able to successfully talk to your child about the subject that is bothering you. I know sometimes it is hard to take a break when a child is misbehaving right in front of you, but it only takes a few seconds during the confrontation to close your eyes for a few seconds, then pray that the conversation goes well, and then continue talking to your child. It works. I have done it plenty of times. When combining parenting and the law of attraction, you have to realize that when you are yelling and screaming at a child, this almost never works because you will be met with a lot of resistance. Because you will receive the vibration that you are putting out like attracts like. Steps for combining parenting and the law of attraction. First, get yourself into a good feeling place. Visualize how you want the conversation to go and state exactly what you would like the end results to be. For instance, if you want your child to go to bed, see your child as the angel that she is, and visualize them going to bed right after you ask and sleeping peacefully in their beds. It may seem strange at first, but you will get used to it, and once you believe that what you ask for will happen in the way that you desire, and once you feel good after your visualization session, you will see results. You can do this with any situation. If you have to confront your child right away and you don't have time to take a moment to gather yourself, say a quick prayer and do a quick visualization session in your mind before you start the conversation. And please note, I would only use this in order to protect your child, not as a means to control your child. For example, trying to get them to go to the college that you feel is best for them, or things of that nature. Because, as I stated before, we are all born with our own guidance system and instincts, and even though you may get them to go a certain school, but they may not be happy with the school of your choice, and you don't want that. We all have the right to choose, so that we can be happy and enjoy our lives. And with that said, I would only use this for behavioral problems such as not going to sleep on time, temper tantrums, staying out too late with the wrong crowd, or kids without motivation to do something meaningful with their lives, things of that nature. You want to assist them with things that will help to enhance their lives, because at the end of the day, they are the ones that have to walk around in their bodies and make decisions for themselves when you are not around. Some helpful tips when using parenting and the law of attraction. For me, I try not to yell and scream, which can be hard sometimes. I first get myself feeling good. I tell myself that this is going to go very well, and I visualize exactly how I want the situation to go. I then proceed to talk to them, and when I do, I make them feel like I am giving them a choice. I give them the pros and cons of the situation or the issue at hand. And in addition, I ask their guardian angels to assist me with the situation as well. Some people aren't aware, but we are all born with guardian angels to assist us in life. This is what I do, this is solely up to you. Sometimes for certain situations you need extra help. When using guardian angels, I say a silent prayer and I ask that my children angels assist me with the situation, and it always works. I have diffused many sibling arguments and issues of being home on time in the matter of minutes with the use of the angels. It is awesome. To learn more about angels, read here. As children grow older, they may seem a little harder to reach, and that's when you may need extra help, and by asking for the assistance from their angels, it will turn out perfectly. Sometimes, it may not be in the way that you want, but it will resolve itself in a different and better way. You have to trust and believe and let go of the situation, and it will turn out great. Combing the parenting and law of attraction is a very powerful tool. Try it and see what do you to lose. You can select plan below http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.